like this soft rain outside.
Don't worry, the rain made our home feel calm.
Mom, I felt cold, so I wanted hot chocolate now.
Let me see the cups. I poured carefully.
After that, can we read English books and learn together? Wow, I get it now.
That's great, buddy.
See, reading together makes it fun.
Yeah, let's do more. Can we make learning fun with a game today?
Thank you, everyone, for waiting while I finish the cocoa.
Of course, dear. Dad, how was your day at work?
My day was busy. I had many meetings.
Are you okay, Michael? You look tired.
Don't worry. I feel better sitting with you.
Mom, what did you do today?
Yeah, what was it?
I want to practice English phrases right now.
Let's start slowly. Listen carefully.
Emma, what is this? It is a pen.
Very good. That answer was clear.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is pink. I felt dizzy and my head felt heavy.
Are you okay?
Should we call a doctor?
Take this and drink slowly. Take this and drink slowly.
I feel better now.
Good morning, Ben.
My throat hurts.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me see.
It really hurts.
Your socks look thin.
They are.
Here, these are thicker.
Wow, thanks, Dad.
We eat first, then walk.
I hear chirping.
Hold gently and twist slowly.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
It really is so peaceful.
Look at the birds, so pretty.
Look, children, a robin.
Wow, it's so pretty. Can it sing for us?
Maybe. Let's listen. Look at this beautiful flower.
Wow.
Would you like to smell it?
Yes, please. Hello there. 1, 2, 3 birds. Yay!
This shade really helps to unwind.
It's so peaceful.
Can we stay here? What a great day!
We should go home now.
Good idea. I'm getting hungry.
Okay, Mommy.
All right, let's go.
Hello, dear friends. I am Lucy. I hope you enjoyed today's video.
If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below.
And if you learned something new from this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us and get more fun English learning stories. We would love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments what kind of video you want to see next.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.